Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you step by step through how to download and install a language pack in Windows 11. Whether you're learning a new language, need a specific keyboard layout, or want to completely change your display language, I have got you covered. We will not only install the language pack, but also explore how to add different keyboard layouts, switch between them easily, and even uninstall languages you no longer need. So stick around till the end. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, click on the Start menu. That's a little Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Alternatively, if you are a shortcut fan like me, just press Windows plus I together. That's a neat trick to open the settings menu instantly. Give it a try, it saves a few clicks. Once you're inside the settings window, take a look at the sidebar on the left. You will see several options, but what we want is time and language. Go ahead and click on that. Once it expands, select language and region. This section controls all the language and input settings on your system. Now here is where the magic happens. Under the preferred languages section, you will notice a list of languages already installed on your device, usually just English if you haven't added anything yet. Let's click the Add a Language button. A new window will pop up with a massive list of available languages. Don't scroll forever, just type the name of the language in the search bar to find it faster. For this example, let's say we want to install Arabic. Simply type Arabic. You will see a list of regional versions like Arabic Egypt, Arabic Saudi Arabia, Arabic UAE, and so on. Pick the one that suits your preference or location. In my case, I will go with Arabic Egypt. Then click Next. Now Windows will ask you to choose which language features you want to install. Here is where it gets interesting. You will see options like Language Pack. This includes basic translations for menus and apps, text-to-speech, and if you plan to change your display language, make sure Set as My Windows Display Language is checked. If you only want the keyboard, you can uncheck that option. Don't worry about installing every feature unless you actually need them, but they do take extra space. So only install what you need. Once you're ready, click Install. Now give Windows a minute or two. It will start downloading and installing the language pack in the background. Internet speed will affect how fast this part goes. While you're waiting, feel free to grab a coffee or stretch a bit. Once the installation is done, the language will appear in your preferred languages list. If you choose to set it as your display language, Windows will prompt you to sign out and sign back in. That's necessary for the changes to take full effect. Menus, system messages, and even login screens will appear in the new language. But what if you didn't change the display language and only want to use the keyboard layout? No problem. You can still do that. Click the three dots next to the language you just added and choose Language Options. Scroll down to the Keyboard section. You will see the default layout that comes with the language, but you can add more. Click on Add a Keyboard and select from different layouts. For Arabic, common ones include Arabic 101 or Arabic 102. Pick whichever feels more natural to you. Now, how do you switch between different keyboards while typing? Super easy. Just press Windows key plus spacebar. A small pop-up will show all the installed keyboard layouts, and you can switch in real time. It's really handy if you're typing in more than one language. Here's a quick tip. If you want to reorder or set a default input language, go back to the Language and Region page and simply drag the language to the top of the list. That will make it your default. Now let's say you change your mind and want to remove a language. Maybe you installed the wrong version or just don't need it anymore. Go back to Language and Region. Click the three dots next to the language and select Remove. Just a heads up, if that language is set as your display language, Windows won't let you remove it until you switch to another one. And there you go, you have successfully learned how to download and install a language pack, add and manage keyboard layouts, switch between input methods, and remove unused languages. Pretty handy, right? If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you want more easy to follow Windows tutorials like this one. Thanks a lot for watching. Good luck customizing your Windows experience, and I will see you in the next one.